Thank you for visiting Bithumb and joining us in the interview. Would you please say hello and introduce yourself to Bithumb's users and Korean investors?
Hi, everyone. My name is Mitch Liu. I'm the founder and CEO of Theta Labs and Theta Network. It's a pleasure to be here in Korea. I really miss Korea.
So Theta Labs has been actively working on several projects. Would you please give us a brief introduction on the main business and core technology?
So Theta Network started with our mainnet launch in 2018, very focused on decentralized video delivery, sort of similar to the sharing economy with Airbnb and Uber. It's sharing your bandwidth resources for peer-to-peer video sharing. In the last year and a half, we've expanded to all of media entertainment as one of the leaders in the media entertainment blockchain space, which also includes our new product, which is our Theta Video API for developers, Web3 building block, as well as our NFT business.
As a blockchain-based video streaming platform, Theta Labs has led the collaboration with Google and Sony over the past few months. At the same time, Theta Labs partnering with Samsung has also received great positive response from the Korean community. We are all very curious about your future plan for the upcoming year. Would you please let us know what to expect in 2022?
Yeah, we're very excited about this upcoming year. We really think that blockchain industry as a whole is at the inflection point of global adoption that's led by many different areas, including gaming, media, entertainment, and NFTs, non-fungible tokens. We're very excited to expand our video infrastructure and our products. I mentioned earlier our Theta Video API has received very, very great reception in the last month, 2 months since we've launched. We have a number of very large partners that's beginning to test that Web3 service. And as we go into 2022, we think that a number of major platforms that we are working with today will come to market. And our view of the media space is that blockchain technology could transform the entire industry. So take an example in the film and the movie business. I think there's the entire value chain from the funding of new business, of new movies, and the production, using NFTs potentially as digital rights management. We're looking at launching Theta Pass, which is a virtual ticket to watch premium content. And of course, the premium video content will be on the Theta network on a peer-to-peer basis. And then the NFTs is the engagement model for all the fans across that entire value chain. So we're very excited about 2022 adoption of blockchain and data technology.
We have also learned that recently Theta Labs has been awarded the patent for method and system for data caching and delivery over a decentralized edge network in the United States. Would you please share us a bit more about the technology?
Yes, it's lots of big words there, but this is our portfolio of patents, which is about half a dozen now that we've announced. And we're working on many other patents. We believe that there are many parts of our technology stack. Of course, we're open sourced and that's available to all developers. But we believe that certain parts of our technology is very important to be patented and to be protected, especially when we work with our global enterprise partners. So when we engage with the Googles of the world, or Samsung or Sony, that these patent technologies is really an important part in our discussions and sort of the long-term viability of our platform. It's very strategic. We want to accelerate, the process of acquiring additional patents. Our goal over the next few years to accumulate 20, 30, or 50 plus patents across all areas of our blockchain technology. So I think this is just getting started.
As you mentioned earlier, Theta works on the NFT project too, right? So like recently, the attention and demand for NFT is dramatically rising in Korea. So we wonder like what's your strategy and in what direction you plan to carry out the NFT business?
Sure.
Would you please?
So the NFT business for us started really in 2020 when one of our primary investors, Creative Artists Agency, CAA, which is one of the 3 talent agencies in Hollywood, reached out to us and said that they have some celebrities and talent that were thinking about and interested in learning more about NFTs. So our journey started over a year ago, and since then we launched with a number of partners, including World Poker Tour and Katy Perry, and which is the first drop is coming up shortly in December, and the One Championship. But our view, unlike some of the other marketplaces, our view is about the media and entertainment, the live entertainment, the live experience. So if you look at what's similar between our Katy Perry partnership is it's a multi-year partnership with 2 drops per month, and it's across her residency in Las Vegas, where she's performing in Las Vegas for a big part of next year. And so it's a continued relationship and partnership, the same way that our World Poker Tour, as things open up, being able to attend a live poker tournament at the Bellagio, or with One Championship, a Friday night fight where you can watch and that's broadcast live. We want to bring all those elements of live broadcast and live experience, in-person experience, potentially leveraging NFTs as a virtual ticket or a ticket to enter a physical event, and then having the fans engage in this sort of complete entertainment experience is really how we see the future of NFTs.
As you mentioned earlier, so T-Drop token will be distributed at the beginning of 2022, right? I think it's a really absolutely great news for the Korean investors and the global community. Would you please share with us a bit more about the milestones and major events in 2022 roadmap?
Sure. So it starts with our T-Drop token, which is our liquidity mining token for NFTs, which is basically a reward for our users to buy and sell and transact these collectibles on our platform. It starts with that. And as we progress into the later part of 2022, we'll see T-Drop being much more integrated and being a really critical foundation and part of our entire live streaming and video experience. It's really bringing together the collectibles and having these NFTs having a sort of utility, and the live streaming or the live video experience. So all those things will kind of come together, I think, in a very natural way as we continue our discussions and our conversations with a number of partners in this space, including film studios, production companies, IP holders, talents, celebrities. So it's across that whole entire spectrum. And as we know that the streamer and the content creator community from YouTube, for example, and Twitch, that's becoming even more integral part of entertainment generally, but it's becoming much more difficult for new creators to make money. You have to grind your way through, and so by incorporating these digital collectibles, it becomes, I think, a revolutionary way of increasing their earnings. Right? It's not just advertising supported, but potentially with these fan engagement via NFTs, it could be 3, 5, or 10 times the amount that they can earn. So we're very excited about that.
Thank you for sharing it with us. We will be looking forward to hearing more exciting news from Theta Labs. What is the one last thing you want to share with us before saying goodbye to our users and investors?
I hope this global COVID situation gets better, and we can all enjoy meeting each other more in person and the various conferences and events. So very much looking forward to that.
Thank you. Thank you again for joining us.
Thank you.